What? Okay, hey guys, what's up? And we're at the skate park now. And I'm drinking my Starbucks. And it's good. We're gonna get some clips here. This guy, so he's pretty good. See that, folks? You see that? Do you see that? So yeah, we're gonna get some clips here, and it's gonna be a fun time. It's just gonna be a skate park session today. So let's do this thing. Okay, it's going. There we go. It's my boy Miguel here. You want me to link your songs? Miguel, you want me to link your songs? Well, I mean, like, seriously. Isaiah, do something cool. I know. Kyler, do something cool. Let's see this kid. This kid's good. Just faked it. And then 180. Keep faking. Then Kyler. Okay, let's do some. Okay guys, I got back from the skate park and I'm here and I got new tires for my bike right here and then got new grips for Isaiah's bike.
And what else about your old tires?
Oh yeah, and then I'm going to give him my old tires because look at these tires. These are bad. These are just like really smooth and worn out. And Kyler's fixing his scooter. Oh yeah, if I haven't introduced Isaiah properly, this is Isaiah.
What's up, boy?
He's my boy. He's my boy.
Yeah, every vlog of his. Except for like one so far.
He's been in like one of my vlogs, and it's so Isaiah been in like
two, at least.
Kyler's been in
Everyone
two.
but
Hey, Dad.
No, everyone but one.
No.
Can you get Mama on
I have
the phone,
7 vlogs.
please?
Anyways,
Okay.
I'm gonna set a time lapse. Me taking
Mom.
apart my bike and then
Do you think I can switch
putting the
my
tires on
tires
and then
back
giving
to-
Isaiah
I know, can I
my
just
tires.
stay the night and then
So
you
yeah,
can go to your
here's the
doctor's
time
appointment
lapse
at
gonna go in 3, 2, 1.
Back, and 3, 2, 1, time lapse.
Wait.
Jesus Christ.
We got the tires off, is what we need to say. Now we're putting the new ones on, and yeah, okay, now. The battery's dead. Whenever that's not flashing, that means it'll be charged.
You're talking the battery's dead on the what?
The
Air? Or
the air thing.
Oh.
That thing. So yeah. Get back to you whenever it's charged. Work on it. It's been 20 minutes and it's still beeping. Bleep, whatever. The flashing. That's it. The battery is not fully charged. And my bike looks beautiful.
Well, the front half.
Just pieces of it. And then LZBMX. Shout out to them because he's the best. Adam LZ is like the bomb. And then there's the GoPro. And then Adam LZ is the best BMXer in the world. Not really, but I think he's awesome and fantabulous and awesome. And yeah, I'll get back to you whenever the battery.
Okay, guys, so we just got done doing the bike. It looks freaking amazing. That was freaking. He bumped something. Okay. Anyways, so it looks amazing. We tightened the chain and everything. It was a little bit of a pain. So yeah. And here's Zach's outro.
Thanks for watching. I'm gonna leave link for. Did I just zoom in? Yeah, I did. Okay, I'm gonna leave a link for Miguel, the guy that I videoed at the skate park. My boy, Miguel.
Sponsored by Dr. Pepper.
I'm gonna leave a link in the description for his songs. He's a great rapper. Just need to spread the word for it. What?
Show him the hoverboard.
Okay.
On how you tell him the backstory about that thing.
Okay, and yeah, and I got this hoverboard here. It just broke one day. Like one day the lights were flashing and I had to take it apart because my mom told me to because it smelled like it was gonna blow up or burn or something. So I did it and now here we are. And it's that great. And I've had it for like 6 months and I've never told you guys about it. So, like, subscribe, share a friend if you enjoyed.
Peace.
Peace. Hey guys, so I'm sorry that the skate park session was so short in this video. But I got a bunch of clips on my GoPro and they all got deleted. So that's why it was so short. I hope you still enjoy this video. Thank you. Peace out. Like, subscribe.